How to find nearby people on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find or connect with nearby people on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Snapchat app with your account. After you open Snapchat, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, tap on the map icon at the bottom left. Like this map will be your snap map. You will now see a live map of your surrounding. Simply you can find any Snapchat ID if they has been public on location. Simply you can find it from there. Zoom in or zoom out to explore your local area. If someone near you has a public story or location enabled, you will see a small pop-up as a glowing circle or event bubble. After you tap on that, you'll be able to connect with those people you can find through the map. And that's it. This is the method you can try to find nearby people on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.